What's going on, you guys? It's a quick little micro scale garage video. I was trying to help out my buddy Dan. I gave him my other Orlando Hunter kit and he's at home building it right now. He don't have a micrometer. I don't know if this is gonna help, but all my bottom links, I have them set at, I was reading it, I have it set at 25 millimeter. You see here. Yeah. Trying to get this on here and looking in the camera. Alright. Yeah, I don't have a battery to tell me. But pretty much all my links. And I don't know if that's like a size comparison where you can take that, and give you a representation. I mean, man. Alright, bro, I'm just gonna have to come over tomorrow. And I'll bring some parts over. I gotta bring them some LEDs. So tomorrow I'll be taking my GoPro with me. Gonna make sure I charge it up. And we're gonna stop at Dan's house and check out his Orlando Hunter. But yeah, this is just a quick little video. I thought maybe that would help, kind of give him a better view. You know what? Maybe if he was to build his shocks first, because he's got one half of his frame built, he told me. I was thinking if he was to build the shocks, he's already got his axles built. Pop the shocks on, build the drive shafts, and then he can build his links from there, I think. I don't know if that'll work. Man. I gotta do some soldering on mine. And everything I want to talk about. I'm gonna be getting ready to take out the dual motor on the RC 4-wheel drive Glendale, because a couple guys on the Facebook group, we were talking about the new version 2 from RC 4-wheel drive transmission. I guess there's a V2 version transmission that's supposed to be better than the version 1. Here's the version 1 transmission. Here's what it looks like without the motor. It's all metal geared in there, which I like it, but it's just not geared down enough. And it's all metal. So they're going to be coming out with a version 2 transmission, and I'm going to try out the version 2 transmission and see if it's better. And I think they have a better wound motor too. I'm not for sure. That was just what I was reading on the Facebook comments. I haven't actually went on rc4wheeldrive.com to check out their website for my own sake, but I will do that eventually. But alright, you guys. Oh, there's new another thing. There's new parts on rcmart.com. There's grill inserts for the Jeep to make your grill look cooler. I'm gonna try and order some of those. There's also metal. Extra Speed makes metal rear window covers for the rear window and the side windows. I'm gonna pick up a couple of those, and that way we'll have the part number and everything. But alright, you guys, this has been a quick little micro scale garage video. I don't know if that really much helped you out, Dan. Sorry about that, but I'll be over tomorrow. Alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. Love you guys. God bless. See you guys in the next video.